Alright, now I'm going to show you how to connect our smartphone using the Android file transfer. We just need to plug our smartphone to our computer, just a minute. And here we are. I'm going to select the first option, which is file transfer. And boom, it just popped up here. Right, so this smartphone has internal storage, and it also has SD card, So if I want to switch between SD card, I just click over here, and here we are. We have all of these options right here, and if I want to just visualize without opening, let's say quote unquote, without opening the file, I just need to press. I'm going to press the space, and here we are. We have a brief information of this book. It is a book, all right, written by Lauren Lane. I love it, bro. I love this. Yeah, this Mac, and we can open this book by clicking here, and here we are. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And if I want to copy some of the file, I just click right here, and I drag to the place where I want to paste it, and it is going to copy it. If I want to create a new folder, I just click here, and here we are. If I want to copy something right here, I just put it inside of this window, and boom, here we are. It is very easy to use this application, okay, and this is it. Hey, hello, what's up, bro? How's it going, man? As you can see right here, now I'm going to show you what it looks like when I'm booting up my computer with Mac OS installed on it. Let's say as known as Hackintosh. All right, so let's go. I'm going to boot it up. It is a pretty normal computer running a Hackintosh or macOS. I removed the Clover option or the Clover screen because I wanted to go straight to the operating system, and look, this is beautiful. It is loading all of the texts or the drivers, Now it is going to start the graphic card driver, and here we are. I'm going to type the password, and here we are. Everything is working out of the box, and if I fire up my Google Chrome, it is going to open it up very, very fast. If I go to YouTube, boom, without stutters. Just to show you that my audio is working fine, look, I'm going to go to my speaker. Pretty good, right? And I also want to show you my computer, like this operating system running 4K videos.
There are some specific models that have a couple of issues, graphics driver issues, networking, etc., but the majority of them work very, very well. So just make sure you do that before you download the patcher. But once you've ensured that, you open up the patcher. You can download macOS Mojave either on an officially supported.
It is amazing, and I also want to say that there are tons of videos in Portuguese and in English, and if you do it, you are going to get well supported. A lot of people are going to help you, how to install it, how to configure it, how to set it up, bro. Amazing. But most of the information that I've been looking for was in both languages, in English and in Portuguese, because in both of these languages, all of the informations are very well explained, and I love it. The Brazilian Portuguese explanations and tutorials was 100% good and perfect, as the same way it is in English, right? So One other thing that I would like to show you is that we have a option pretty similar to Windows 10. I don't know if it is. I don't know if this option came first with macOS and then Windows copied this option from the from macOS or whatever. But if I open up tons of Windows, no, I don't want to use it as default. Oh, sorry. If I fire up tons of windows, and let it all of them opened, and I also open this right here, and then I reboot the operating system. I have these options right here. I'm going to reboot the operating system, and here we have this option. It is asking me if I want to reopen all of the windows that are opened when I finish the reboot. I'm going to take this option right here, which means that all the time, which means that when I reboot the computer, all of these background windows are going to get opened again. So let me show you as a demonstration. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Oh yeah, baby. All right, and one thing that I would like to tell you is that yes, I'm left-handed, or canhoto in Portuguese. Password, and just wait. And as you can see right here, all of the windows are going to reopen again. It is crazy, bro. It is crazy. It is crazy. It is crazy. Oh my god! And the very good thing is that the operating
There are
system.
some specific models that have
Oops,
a couple of
sorry.
issues, graphics driver issues, networking.
In one of the things that I love about this operating system is that the computer doesn't, let's say, lag. It doesn't stutter. It doesn't, let's say, stop working. It just worked fine. Of course, that you need to have a very good configuration. You need to have a very good hardware, but it worth the headaches that I had when I was trying to install it for the very first time. Like the 4 days that I was um, up just trying to set it up, and get it working and running. Now I understand how it works. If I need to reinstall this operating system, I'm going to do it in, let's say, a matter of hours. I'm gonna be able to set it up in, let's say, within hours, and boom, um, everything is working. I think 99% of the stuff are working so far. you know See you later, and I hope you did like this video. Bye. Hey, hello, what's up, bro? How's it going, man? So in this video, I'm going to tell you why I am loving this operating system. I will also tell you if I am having any kind of problem running this operating system on my computer or not. All right, and I will also try to explain the difference between the applications that I was using on Windows 10 and with the operating system, which is Mac OS. All right, so let's go. The very first thing that I would like to show you is that the version of this operating system I am running right now, Mac OS version High Sierra, something like that. All right, so as you can see right here, the version is 10.13.6, and it is recognizing my processor. It is also recognizing my memory RAM, you know my Nvidia graphic card. All of this stuff are working pretty freaking good. I think it is working and running way better than Windows 10, and let's go. I was also able to fix all of the problems that I was having previously with the drivers or with the cats Like now my audio is working 100%. You know, my graphic card is playing 4K, 8K videos. Let me see right here. My internet connection, is working pretty good. My internet driver or kex is working fine. The graphic card is smooth. The graphic of the operating system is smooth. The only problem that I'm having right here, with some stutter is with the Google Chrome, but it's not a problem because when I was using Windows 10, I was also having the same problem. Maybe it is because of the Google Chrome. Maybe the Google Chrome is much, or very, very weight, you know. But no problem, bro. I'm going to show you the things right now. So I would like to talk about the design. My man, I ever loved its design. macOS was one of the operating systems that I always wanted to use it since when I was young. But as you know, Apple's products are pretty expensive, and I don't have the amount of money to buy one, out of the box, like, sorry, one brand new, all right, and it is very freaking pricey and expensive. And here we are, now we have the possibility to run Hackintosh, or to run uh, macOS on non-official Apple's computers, and it is working 100%. So let's go. As I said, I would like to talk about the design. My man, this design, this layout, is beautiful, bro. Beautiful. I always loved this dock right here on the bottom of the desktop. But right here, we don't call it desktop. We call it I forgot, how to call it in English, but in Portuguese we call it as mesa, right? But I'm not sure if it is the desktop. I think this is the mesa. So let's go. Let me get to the point right here. And here we have, let's say, um, here we have the Finder. Finder is it is pretty similar. It does the same role as Windows Explorer from Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 8, whatever. You click here. Our home page is this right here, recent, right? Recent. And here we have this beautiful layout. These all gray window. It is beautiful, and this button right here is amazing, bro. We have the red one to close the window. We have this yellow, I guess, to minimize the window, and we have this green to maximize the window. It is amazing. It is beautiful, bro. It is beautiful. And just to go back, we click here and we click right here. We have these options to visualize the files. I always loved this one right here. Let me show you with this folder right here. Look, I click right here and the files that are inside of this page show up right over here. This is amazing. you know I like it. It is freaking beautiful. And when we click on the file, we have this brief information. We have also this option right here that we have a brief visualization of the file. This is crazy, pretty beautiful. We have also this option right here, and this right here. We have these settings right here that I'm not going to talk about for a while. Uh, this right here, it is for you to share some of the items that you just selected. Like in this case right here, I just selected these 3 items, and I can share through my email, messages, and more. Okay, let me go back here. I have these options right here to tag some of the stuff. I don't know how it works so far. I can tag them with the red, I don't know why. It is crazy. And we have these tags right here. We have like this Finder is pretty similar to Windows Explorer, you know, but I prefer this one right here. It is beautiful. I can find some of the files right here. Um, Oops, look, as you can see right here. Let me go back. And another thing that I also would like to talk about is that if you click on a file and you press the space button on your keyboard, it gives you, let's say, a brief let's say information about this file. It is crazy, bro. It is crazy. And you just press the space button or the space keyboard, the space key from your keyboard, and it closes down. Let's go to images. I have this folder here. I'm going to press space, boom, space, boom, space, boom. It is a screenshot, right? And I have this right here, boom. It is amazing, bro. I have look, I just press space and boom, it starts to give me like a brief informations, or if it is a video, it starts to reproduce the video, and it is great, bro. And you don't need to, let's say, select a specific application for you to open it up. You know, you just click right here and boom, amazing, bro, amazing. I like this right here. And we can also open sorry, I was reading it in Portuguese. We can also open it with VLC, and we can also share. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. I'm not going to get to the point right here, right, about this stuff. And here we have our favorites. All right, I just added some of these options right here, because in its default option we don't have some of these options right here, which is movies, images, I guess, and documents. I'm not sure. And here are some of my external discs. You know, I have some more. One thing that I'm pretty sorry is that, like this right here, it is, I can delete, I can do some modifications with the files that are inside of this partition of this 8D, you know, because I had formatted the partition of this disk, or this yes, this disk to exFAT. And I'm going to show you another partition. This partition right here is from the time when I was using Windows 10, you know, in Windows on my computer, and it is formatted with, let's say, let me see right here, with NTFS option, you know, or formatation, I guess. I don't know how to say this in English. Yes. And as you can see right here, I can't delete or I can't modify some of the files that are inside of this partition, because it is formatted with this partition right here, right? NTFS system. All right, so if I want to, let's say, be able to remove and replace and delete some of the files that are inside of this partition, I need to format it to these right here. Oops, yes, I can click, I need to click here and I need to find a format, and I need to select this option right here, this option right here, exFAT or MS-DOS FAT. I prefer this one right here, and I format to this format. So far so good. No problem at all, because in the future I'm going to try to solve this problem. I'm going to save all of the files that are inside of this 8D right here, this hard disk, and I'm going to format it to exFAT format, and boom, I'm going to be able to run it without problems. We have here some of the tags right here. It is no problem. It is great. I'm so sorry if the per system is in Portuguese, because I wanted to let it I want to let the operating system in Portuguese because let's say my family use a computer and I don't want to make things hard to them. So let's go. Here we have these options to go forward and backwards from folders to folder, and boom, you know. I like this, and I also like this right here. Whoa, let's go. Uh, Let me go back here. Now I'm going to talk about the sound. You know, the sound. The sound, as I said, it is working 100%, 100%. But the only downside of this audio driver or audio configurations is that in Windows 10, I was able to, let's say, listen to songs with 100% of its power. You know, with, let's say, the loudness of the speakers. But right here I just have, let's say 80 to 75% of the loudness of the speakers, so it means that the speakers aren't so loud. They are not, when I'm listening to a song, it doesn't get pretty loud, you know I don't know why, but maybe I'm in the future. I'm going to look for an application where I can modify some of the volumes, tab, something like that. Some of the volumes options to increase way more the original um, max of the volume of this system. But no problem. It is not a problem for me because I don't like to listen to loudness, or songs with pretty loud, but no problem. So let's go back. Let's go and talk about this bar right here. All right. So this is the menu bar of all the windows we use right here. So let's say here, as we are in on a desktop, we have all of these options: help, window, go, visualize, edit, files, finder. Right, we also have the finder options right here and preferences here. Pretty good, pretty good. I'm not going to talk about it now. Maybe in a future video. And here I really, really love this style right here. So let's say if I fire up my Google Chrome right here in this uh, in this in this Google Chrome application, I have other types of other options right here. We have the file. I can do all of this stuff right here. Tons of stuff right here. Look, history, boom. This is great. We have Windows, and if I close down if I minimize and I select another application, boom, the options right here changes. I have other options right over here. It is great, bro. Like in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows XP, Windows 7, whatever, these options right here are inside of or embedded with the window, but right here it is separate. It is separate from the window, and I think it is crazy beautiful, bro. So if I maximize, I have this effect. I have full screen. All right. Look, I have this stuff right here. As you can see right here, now I'm running a 4K video, and my motherboard, sorry, my graphic card, it is um running without problems. It is amazing, no stutter. It is pretty fucking good. Look, it is amazing. It is amazing. And if I want to go back to normal screen, I just click right over here, and I have this option. This option right here, this bar slides down, so I can go right here, and boom, look this effect in this transaction. It is amazing. Transitions, I guess, or transactions, whatever. Yes, trans animations in this case. I'm going to minimize. Look at this dock right here. This dock is amazing. I can increase the size. I can I can get it bigger. I can get it smaller. If I want to, I can just, let's say, go to its configuration. Let me see right here. Just a minute. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look here, dock options. Let's see. In here, I can increase or get it bigger, or I can let it slow, like it is right over here. Just let me, let's say, just a minute, just a minute, because I want to see the, yes, here we are. I can increase and I can disincrease, get it slower and bigger, or smaller, sorry. Here I have this animation right here. If I increase the application, look, it gets bigger. Let's go back to here. Yes, it is amazing so far. Let's go. I have other options right here, but nope, I don't want to talk about it now. And let's talk about this guy right here. With this guy right here, I can compile custom ROMs, I can install programs, I can do some modifications, I can install a lot of stuff. As since right here, I'm running, I just installed the ADB and the fast boot options, So if I want to exchange and change the bootloader, or if I want to install ATW ATWRP on my smartphone, if I want to install custom ROMs on my smartphone, if I want to install stock ROM through the terminal, I can do it, no problem. If I want to download the source code of Android 10, Android 9, I can download it through right here, and I can do some commands to compile the custom ROM. Man, it is crazy. It is amazing, and its design, is good, but there are way, let's say, there are some more beautiful ones on Linux, let's say, in some Linux distributions, in some other Linux distributions. This one right here, the visual of this terminal is not 100% beautiful, but it's beautiful. you know I have also this animation right here when I minimize a window. Boom! Holy crap, bro! It is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I also remember when I was a kid. Yes, when I was a kid, I think I was 8. Yeah, I was 8. And back in the days, I was watching a movie on a TV on my open TV channel, and one guy from a movie was using his computer, and look what he did. He minimized the window, and in a movie, I saw this exactly same effect, this same exactly effect, and I thought, what the heck, what kind of operating system is he using, bro? It is crazy. I remember, like, I still remember about that day. That was incredible. And as you can see here, today I'm running this goddamn good operating system, So let's go. Let's continue. We have this stuff right here. I am not sure, but I think Windows 10 is, let's say, kind of copying the same style right here, because I don't know which one came first. Windows 10 added this option right here on Windows 10 or Mac OS. But Windows 10 also have this option right here. I forgot the name of this option right here. Let me see right here. I have no idea how to call it. And here we have today. We have the date, the day, the week, the day of the week, the day number, and the month. And here we have notifications. Pretty good, bro. We also have this option on Windows 10. It is beautiful, but I don't use it too much. You know, um, in Windows 10, on Windows 10, we have the same stuff right here, but it doesn't show up the weather cast, the calendar and stuff like that. But here on Mac OS, we do. Haha, it is amazing, bro. I love this operating system. Holy shit, bro, I love it. And now let's talk about the applications. Let's talk about the applications. One thing that I was very, very sad with most of the Linux distributions was that in most of the Linux distributions, we didn't have too much compatibility compatibility. Like most of the programs that I was using on my Windows, I was not able to use it or run it on Linux distributions because Linux doesn't have too much support, from some of these applications that I'm going to quote right now, that I'm going to talk about. But Linux is still a freaking good and useful operating system. Sorry, Linux distributions are good, are pretty good operating system. And let's go back and talk about Mac, which is this right here right now. So right over here, we have these applications right here, and now I'm going to talk about the difference uh, between these applications and Windows 10 and some other kind of applications that I am using to replace the applications that I was using on Windows, right? Windows 10 in this case. Look, this guy right here, which is QuickTime Player, is an application that we use to record our screen, our audio, and to do some other stuff that I have no idea yet. Uh, we have this. I had to install this application right here, Android File Transfer, to transfer some of the files from my Mac OS to my from my computer to my smartphone. Without this application, it is almost impossible to copy some of the files that are on my smartphone and put it on my computer. So without this program, it is going to be almost impossible to connect your device or even your internal storage to Mac OS. It is pretty freaking good. I'm not. Oh, bro, I don't have a smartphone right now. Just to give you an example. Yes, just a minute, bro. Just a minute. All right, here I am, and I'm going to, let's see, put a screenshot from this application opened. We have this monitor. This guy right here. This guy is almost pretty similar to Windows 10. You know, like this guy right here shows us some of the CPU information, processors information, memory, RAM informations, the energy, the disk, and the net or the network, whatever. Let's go back here. I don't use it too much, it is just to monitor the performance of the computer. I just use it to this. Here we also have this 4K video downloader. This guy right here is awesome for you to download videos from YouTube. It is great, bro. It is great, and it is running perfect right here. We have this guy right here, uTorrent Web. I like to use this guy right here. I think it is way better than the one that we use as standard. We also have these Microsoft Office packages. One thing that I was very sad, when I was using Linux, some of the Linux distributions, is that for some Linux distributions, or for all of them, to be honest, we don't have support. They don't have support. Linux, like for example, let's say Ubuntu, in this case, just to use it as an example, you are not be able to run it natively means to run it the same application compiled to Linux. No, you never is going to do it so far, I think. But maybe in the future, who knows? If you want to run Microsoft Office packages, you need to run it through Wine. it is going to emulate the Microsoft Office from Windows to this guy right here, to Linux. Sorry, but the experience isn't so good. But this right here, it is working right pretty good. That's right. I'm loving Mac OS. It have, let's say, a lot of support. Most of the applications are available to Mac, for Mac in this case. Bro, it is amazing. So if I want to do some, let's say, school work, you know, some stuff related to school, boom, here we are. Pretty good. Another stuff that I also like about this operating system is that we also are able to plug and play most of the peripherals. Like for example, right here I have scanners and print, and I just plugged the cable of my ATP printer to my computer, and the macOS just out of the box recognized the the type and the model of this printer pretty good. If I was running Windows, I had to download the driver compatible with my printer, and boom. Of course, I used Windows for a pretty long time. I like it, but I'm pretty loving macOS right now. We have Telegram, we have WhatsApp. Both of these applications we have for Windows. We have DaVinci Resolve. We also have this application for Windows. This application right here help us to edit some videos. Edit videos, pictures. To like we can do our video editing just using this program right here. And talking about this program, it also runs on Linux. And this program right here, a lot of people are saying that it is getting much better than Adobe Premiere and other stuff. So I'm booting it up. All right. So as you can see right here, it's the front page, almost the home page. A new project. Boom. I'm going to create, and boom, as you can see right here, this is the visual of this program. It is good, and we have these options over here. All right, pretty good. I'm going to close it. I'm going to quit DaVinci Resolve. No, I won't save it. We have this disk utility. With this disk utility, it is pretty similar to partitioning program that Windows 10 has, you know, built in. Here we have the option to format the drivers, the pen drive, the USB, the USB, um, sorry, the pen drivers, the pen drives, pen drive, USB flash, stuff like that. External hard disk, SSD. Here you can format all the type of the stuff that you connect to your computer. Yes, I exaggerated now. Here we have Clover configurator. With this guy right here, we can configure some of the bootloader stuff from Mac Hackintosh. It is amazing, bro. I love it. We have system preferences, I guess. Here we have the let's say the core of the operating system. Here you can the core configurations, right? You can do a lot of stuff right here. You can, let's say, open it up. The NVIDIA driver manager, uh, internet connection, like our emails. We can configure and set up our emails, iCloud accounts, network extension sharing. We have initialization disk or disks of initialization. We have CD monitor. We can set our battery right here, bro. We can do a lot of stuff over here. We have the keyboard options. We have this privacy and security, pretty good. I use it a lot because most of the time when I install a program that are not downloaded from app, app. Let me see right here. Apple Store, I guess. App Store. It obligates me to give it permission right here. you know, we have firewall, privacy, file vault. Oh, crazy. We have dock. We have the same option as I just showed you. We have here the general appearance. It is blue. I'm going to let it the same way it is right now. I can set the default browser. Now I'm using Google Chrome as a default browser. So all the time when I'm going to open a hyperlink, something like that, boom, it is going to fire up using, it is going to open up using Google Chrome browser. And let's go back here. We have a Google Earth Pro. I like to use it. I don't know why, but most of the time when I'm going to travel to another, I'm going on a trip, or when I'm going to go to some specific place, I like to use it just to identify the place where I'm going, you know. So doing this, I'm going to prevent some other bad experiences, like for example, if I'm going to go to another city, I just type the name of the city and boom. If I'm going to go to my relatives' house in somewhere, I just type the local, the place, the street, the house number, the number of the house or the apartment, whatever, and boom, I can see the street in 3D, I guess. Yeah. Just I'm going to give you a demonstration right here. I'm going to click here and I'm going to go to look, São Paulo. It is just a demonstration, right? It is just a demonstration. And I have these options right here, and I have a street view. I don't know where it is. I had let me go. I'm going to go to this place right here. Yes, I'm going to go to this place. I think you already saw this stuff right here working. I have some of these options, It is crazy, bro. It is crazy. Let me see right here. Street view. Where are you? Look, here we are. I'm going to drop it here. And boom. This is crazy, bro. Look, it is amazing. I love to use this guy right here. Hey, wait a minute. I know this place. Nope, I don't. All right. I have it. We also have the same application for Windows, I think Linux maybe, and macOS in this case. We have Google Chrome, Firefox. Firefox works pretty smoother than Google Chrome. We have App Store. Right here, we can also update the operating system. All right, as you see right here, I up to date. We have these trends, I guess, and we have all of the applications. All right, here we can download some applications you like, some apps you like, and most of them are paid as usual. And here we are, we have iBooks. As I said previously to another guy, on Windows 10 I used to use the Microsoft Edge to read books. That browser was good, pretty good to read books because of its fonts, the letters, the words, the font of the words were amazing. And right over here on macOS, I have a way better application, which is iBooks. This guy right here is great, bro. With these applications right here, I can buy, I can download, I can open, I can save, I can sync, I guess, all of my books. It reads a lot of different kinds of extensions. Like in this case, I'm reading this book right here, which is in EPUB format. or extension, and it is working fine. And as you can see right here, it's from page. We have iBook store. We have all all books, collections, authors, categories, and list. And here we have the option to look for a book. Pretty good. We have also this option right here to order by. Boom. And here we have these options right here, these settings from this application. And I'm going to open this up right here, 50 tons de liberdade. And look the animation, bro. Crazy! It is very, very beautiful. If you want to buy this book, you just click here to buy. It is just a demonstration, and here we have this option to, I think, to modify the font, the color, and the size of the letters. Appearance, right? I like this one. This one right here is pretty beautiful. We can resize it. Look, it is beautiful. I like this option right here, which is double page. Where you have, let's say, 2 pages. Going back here, we have this option to look for a word, a number, or even a page. We have this option right here to tag some of the stuff. Like, for example, let's say if I highlight this option, this phrase, and I click here, I can find it here, I guess. Look, boom. If I go back here, I click here, and oops, boom. Oh, bro, it is not working. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it is not working. I don't know why. Sorry. Um, Let me see right here. Here we have the title of the book. Right over here, we have the option to go forward, go backwards, forwards, backwards. We can full screen this app. We can go back. We have this option right here, which is the notes. We have the index, we have index. Yes, we have this option. And yes, this is it, bro. And we have the iBook store. Here is the store. Look. Here you can buy all of the books you want with a good price. No, I'm just kidding. Let me see this right here. Let's see the price. It is R$29,90. And we have some others, romance category, it's fine, it's fine. As you can see right here, the application runs smoothly. I'm going to look. We have these almost, let's say, transparency right here on this part of the screen. I'm going to full screen it, and boom. Let's go back. How do I go back here? Yeah, we have these right over here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Haha. Let's go back here. Let me close it down. We have the reminders. Here you can, let's say, write anything here or type anything here. Like if you want to do some stuff, let's say I need to buy some breads at 9 a.m. tomorrow. I don't know if I wrote it right. Tomorrow. Okay, pretty good. Let's go back here. Yep, as you can see, it is here. Let's go here. We have notes. This guy here has its visual right here. I'm not going to talk about this application because I had never used this guy right here before. You can also sync your iCloud account. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. I don't know how to use it. New note. Yeah, this is the notes and this is the information right here. If I want to add some information right here, boom. Yeah, reasonable. Uh, Normal. We have the calendar, pretty good and beautiful. You know, we have these options right here. Some of the configurations in the settings right here in the options I'm just discovering right now. All right, we have the option to see by year, by week, by day, by month, and this is it, right? We have the launch page. Here is our menu, right? Here is where all of our applications are installed. You can find them right over here. Look, guy, we have too much more options, but these are some of the let's say the most used one. You know, we have here the date. We can visualize it as analogic. I like this one better. We have this option to eject our DVD-ROM, where we can just press F12. We have our NVIDIA drivers, graphic card. We have this programmer here that I'm running right now. I have the option to go to system preferences. As I said to you, as I already showed you, we have recent items. You know, the items or the applications that I opened recently. We have this option to force uh, shut down. We can restart the computer, shut down the computer. We can block the screen, and I can finish the session. I guess, you know. Section is this right here, and this is it, bro. This is pretty much. Let me go here and try to show you. I like to use the yeah, I like to use these applications right here to play songs, music, and movies. And yeah, this is it, bro. Like there are too many other options right over here, but I just want to show you this guy right here. You know, some of these options. Um, Look, if I also want to, as I said, if I want to, if I want to, let me see right here, compile a custom ROM for my smartphone using Mac. I just need to do this right here. Look. So as you can see right here, we can build a custom ROM using Mac. You know, just using these codes right here. Ha ha ha. It is amazing, bro. It is amazing. Like here we are. I'm going to wrap it up right now. You know, this is the new operating system that I'm using right here. There are too many other options and features that I am using on this operating system with this operating system that I won't quote right now. Maybe in the future, if I remember some of the features that I didn't save right now, I can show you later, maybe in a future video. And this is it, bro. And I'm going to use it this application right here a lot because I'm going to read tons of books using these applications right here. You know, it is amazing, bro. It is amazing. So see you later. Bye.